In this video, I am going to show how to install and set up for C and C++ on Windows 11. So this is a complete video you need to watch. So first, in step 1, we will install VS Code, which is Visual Studio Code. It is an IDE where we can write code, edit and redefine. So I will open a new tab. You can choose your favorite browser and open VS Code download. So in next, I am going to click this link, so which is this, the first link I have highlighted here, and the next steps, click on this button, Windows button, and next click on save. So you can also do step by step, which I have doing here. So after this installation we will see. So guys, the installation of Visual Studio Code is completed here. You can see here at the top, and I will click on this .exe file, and it will ask agreement for license, and next click on next, and click on next, and click all the check boxes I will explain later, and click on install. So it will install VS Code, and in another time we are going to install MinGW GCC Compiler, which is for C program, and open another new tab and search MinGW download, and click on this first link, which is sourceforge.net, and click on download button, and it will also ask where to save. Click on save and keep this file, and click on this exe file, and it will also ask the installation steps. Click on this here, install, and click on continue. So it will also install files from internet, so make sure to keep your internet connection stable. In this window, the VS Code is installing side by side. So next, I think so it is completed, and guys, here it is completed, and VS Code download, and click on finish. So it will finish the VS Code downloading, and here I am going to click on continue the MinGW installation. So click on continue, and now I am going to install the compiler. So make sure here right click on this, which is MinGW 32 GCC G++. Right click on this and mark for installation, and this MinGW 32 base version. Right click on this and mark for installation, and here you can see, click on installation and click on apply changes, and click on apply. So it will download all the files from the internet, you can see. So until that, we will install some of the extensions in VS Code. So here I will minimize this like this, and here you can go here for click on extensions, and you need to install, search for C and C++. So here you need to install this 3 extensions of Microsoft, which is this is first, and this extension manager. So I will expand, and this extension pack, and this themes also. So I have installed these 3 extensions, and another extension need to install like code runner for running C, C++, Java and much code. So click on this install button and the extension will be installed in your system VS Code. So we will close for now this VS Code, and next here the compiler has been successfully completed, and I'm going to close this file and close this window. And here we have completed these 2 steps, and now we need to add path to the environment variables. So go to File Explorer and go to this PC, and in C drive go to MinGW, which is the first folder. Click on this and go inside the bin folder. So at the top you can click here and copy this path by pressing Ctrl C, and in below search bar you can search for env and click on this env and click on environment variables and click on path, double click and click on new. So we need to paste the path here itself. So for pasting press Ctrl V and click on OK and click on OK. So the path is successfully applied. So to verify the installation you need to run these 2 commands. On here the search button you can search for cmd. This command prompt open, and we need to run these 2 commands. One is gcc ---- version. So I will run. So you can see here the GCC version is completely installed. So with this 6.3.0, and here we need to run another command g++ ---- version. So I will edit this command itself and run again. So the g++ also successfully installed. This shows our complete installation of VS Code and the compiler. So next I will close this dialog box, and in step 4 we have already done this step, like installing the extensions in VS Code, which is the extension pack. And next in step 5 we are going to run the program, and that's all. So I'm going to close this browser, and in my desktop I will create a new folder, and here I will give the folder name like C programs. So and open this folder here, and after that I am going to right click here, and you can see the open with code option here itself. So that's why I have check all the boxes while installation. So you make sure to check all the boxes for installation, then only you can open the Visual Studio Code anywhere in your PC. So click on this open with code. So I'm going to close this chat window, and here you can create a new file. So I'm going to click on this, and I will write my first program like hello.c, and here we can write our code. So I am going to write like hash include and hash include stdio.h, and next int main, and here I will write printf function, so which is this. So don't worry, this is a simple starting code of C language. So you need to put the semicolon at the end. So you can also zoom by pressing Ctrl plus and return 0 and press semicolon, and now here the dot indicates that the file is not saved. Make sure to save the file before running. So you can press Ctrl S in your keyboard, or go to here file and click on save also. So two methods are there. And next I am going to run this C program. This is our first C program in this video. So click on run code. So it will show the output in the output window. So the first code is successfully executed. So that's all about this video, guys. So we have done the setup of C program in our system. So you can do this in a PC or anywhere, or in a laptop also. So these are the basic steps. So you can see, like installing the VS Code and installing this compiler, GCC compiler, and adding this path. So that's all about this video. So if you have any doubts regarding this installation, so if you face any errors, issues, so make sure to comment, guys. So thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends. So thank you.